be a lot of fun. Again, this workshop is designed for you. I'm really creating content like here.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Boswell. I'm a professional development coach, and I just am finishing up the social media boot camp with Jessica and Julia, and it's been amazing. And some real key takeaways are just be you and be authentic, find your voice, and look at the message that you're sharing in the world and how you can contribute to other people by doing what you do and how you love it.
Who are you? What makes you unique? And what your clients say about you?
The key takeaways that I shared today were trying to stay relevant, authentic, and learning about the ever-changing social media landscape. I highly recommend this course.
My name is Sharon Borgia, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. And I just came to a social media bootcamp with Jessica and Julie. I just stepped behind with the hashtag. So I just came to find out more about it. And this is great, so I recommend it.
Hi, my name is Michael Hara. I am a gym owner, personal trainer, and coach. And I came to the social media bootcamp today to learn how to better leverage social media. We're in the process of opening our second location, and so far word of mouth has been great, but the world that we live in today, you have to have a strong social media presence. I'm learning that, and today the content, the way they articulated how to leverage your social media, capitalize on it, has been incredible, and I highly recommend coming.